At the fracture, platelets and macrophages release growth factors. These signals recruit mesenchymal stem cells to initiate repair, guiding the repair process. Repair cells emerge from the periosteum, endosteum, and bone marrow, moving toward the fracture hematoma. Mesenchymal stem cells accumulate around the fracture site and prepare to differentiate. In bone repair, endothelial cells proliferate and sprout from periosteal and marrow vessels. This ange is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the healing zone. Following the fracture, a soft callus forms around the site. This swelling temporarily stabilizes the bone fragments. An internal callus develops a splint for healing. Within the soft callus, mineral crystals begin to appear, spreading and turning the cartilage matrix into rigid, opaque calcified cartilage. The fracture site is now surrounded by a firm, hard callus, with mineralized bone replacing the soft callus. The hard callus forms a strong, bony bridge, connecting the fractured bone ends.